Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Sorkar Meghalaya lengbau Chief Secretary ke Jelau ba PS Tangkio kala aya ke Jubab sya ka Ministry of Home Affairs jong ka Sorkar Pedeng Halor ka Jinglong Jingman ka bay debat ki brio ki babuhay snong hatem yo molong. Chief Secretary ke Jela Meghalaya ulabatai benia ya baro ki benta ha ka jingya kendu ya ki Head Officer ka Ministry of Home Affairs ha New Delhi hadien ka jing syakot hajir namar ka jing ujor jong u MLA ka Shiromani Akalidal u Majender S Sirsa u bala kerpat yo menteri ka tanat kampo yang ka Sorkar India u Amit Shah bantuklar lem ha ka bayadai bat kane ka kam. Menteri rang ba ka Jelau Konrad K Sangma ha ka jing kren bat ka Batisi TV ha ka khat sautrik u jeleo arjar khat khandai ulai thu ba ka Sorkar Jela lengbau Chief Secretary kala ai ka Jubab ka Bashai sya ka Ministry of Home Affairs bat pentip ru ba ka Sorkar Jela kala penbiang ya ki bor pahara nak benta ka jingshong sngan jong ki jaj benriu sik ki basyong basa hatem Metor.
From last year, since the problem that we faced last year, from that time Home Ministry has been actually in touch with us. Home Secretary has been in touch with me and the Home Minister also. And so therefore this has been an exercise that has been going on for a long time. We don't make it public, but we meet every once in a while. And so this issue has been discussed many times. So obviously this time also, because of certain few incidents that took place and some certain comments that came out, Home Ministry and Home Secretary wanted to understand more in detail what the situation was. And so accordingly the Chief Secretary along with Principal Secretary Urban, they left for Delhi and they met the Home Minister as well as the Home Secretary, and they've updated them of the status of things. We are very clear, number one, that obviously it is the duty of the government to always ensure that every life is protected. So that is something that we have never forgotten, and obviously we will continue to do that. When it comes to the issue as a whole, it is going to be the committee that is working on it. So therefore a lot of things are happening, a lot of discussions are taking place, a lot of initiatives are being taken, and therefore we'll have to wait till the committee comes out with its full report, and then only we'll be able to comment on it.
So you see that the issue is becoming more complex, becoming more a political thing?
No, it was always was. It's not that it's not now. It's always been a complicated issue. But I think if we all come together and we put our heads together and we really discuss this, I'm sure that we'll be able to find a solution and a way forward.